Losing the back fat doesn't have to be hard, in fact, it's probably easier than you think. Dear viewers, if you want to reduce your back fat, then this video is perfect for you. Because, today we will show you 4 easy back fat exercises, which will help you to solve your back fat problem. So keep watching the video till the end, but before you go on, click on the like button below the video, so we know you liked this topic. Your feedback helps us improve our content and reach more people. Here is the 4 easy back fat exercises for you. Number 1. Side leg lift. This side leg lift exercise is designed to stabilize the pelvic lumbar and oblique muscle regions, as well as lateral flexion, which strengthens torso muscles around the spinal region. How to do? Lie on your right side on top of a yoga mat or other soft surface. Brace your core and make sure your body is in a straight line. Keep your right hand on the ground and your left hand on your hip. Slowly lift the left leg into the air, keeping it straight during the exercise. Slowly lower your left leg. Complete the set, then repeat with the other leg. Number 2. Back extension. The back extension exercises both stretches and strengthens your lower back. It's the perfect complement to crunches to develop a strong, balanced midsection. How to do? Begin on the mat, lying face down with your stomach on the mat. Keep your arms at your side against your torso with your palms pressed against your thighs. Keep your legs together with your toes slightly pointed. Inhale and lift your upper trunk off of the mat, keeping the tops of your feet pressed against the mat. Be sure to use your abdominal and back to extend your trunk forward and into the air. As you exhale, lower your torso back down to the mat. Repeat 6 to 8 times. Number 3. Superman pose. The Superman's exercise engages your abs and also strengthens your back. How to do? Lie down on your stomach on a mat. Keep your feet and arms spread out. Lift your right arm up, followed by your left leg. Simultaneously, lift your head 3 inches off the ground. Keep your abs and glutes squeezed in. Hold this for 3 seconds. Release by bringing your head, arm, and leg down. Switch to the other side. Along with your head, lift your left arm and right leg this time. Do 2 sets of 10 reps. Number 4. Cat-cow stretch. Finish your back exercise routine with the cat-cow pose to relax and reduce the chances of a back injury. Position yourself on a yoga mat with your hands and knees touching it. Lift your head up while inhaling slowly. At the same time, arch your back in a concave shape. Exhale slowly, contract your abs, bring your head down, and round your back. Do 1 set of 20 reps. For all of these exercises, you should start slow and then pick it up as you feel stronger. And always talk to your doctor before starting any exercise routine. Thanks for watching the video. We did love to know how you get on. Share your experiences with us in the comments below, and don't forget to like and share this video.